How does custody work when there's abuse involved? This is such a good question, and it's a tough question. So there is a presumption against joint legal decision-making or an abusive party having sole legal decision-making. The statute doesn't use the term abusive. It uses the term domestic violence, and it defines that. If you are in a situation, you may be in an abusive relationship that the court does not recognize as domestic violence. And I'll tell you, this happens a lot. Relationships can be abusive without it rising to the legal level here in Arizona where it would impact child custody at all. So for instance, if you have a partner, a spouse who is controlling your every move, watching everywhere you go, controlling how much you can spend, controlling who you can talk to, not really allowing you to live freely, you're in an abusive relationship. But that behavior probably would not impact a child custody determination because it was never directed towards the children. And being controlling over children is not illegal. It's not necessarily abusive. Like parents exert control over who their children talk to, what they do, the activities they're engaged in, where they're at all times. It's just not appropriate within a relationship between two adults. But if you have a physically abusive spouse or there is child abuse, then the parenting time that is awarded should be limited and should offer proper protection like supervision or agency or SoberLink. Sometimes there are parents who are abusive when drunk, and something like SoberLink can really alleviate a lot of that, because if you stop the drinking, you can stop the abuse.
Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about family law, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and we'll do our best to provide answers. If you're in Arizona and need legal help, don't hesitate to contact us at Modern Law. If you're looking to represent yourself, we have free resources available at Win Without Law School. You can also join our Modern Divorce Support Group on Facebook for community support. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.